हाय नमस्कार, मैं डॉक्टर मुनीत वर्मा, फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट।
नमस्कार, मैं डॉक्टर सुकन्या वर्मा, एक्यूपंक्चरिस्ट।
मेरा बेटा भानु वर्मा बैक स्टेज पास इंस्टीट्यूट से एक्टिव में पता से कर रहा है। आज उस विषय में हम कुछ बात करने के लिए आपके सामने उपस्थित हैं। अर्लियर आई वाज थिंकिंग कि ये कुछ करने जा रहा है जो मेरी शायद समझ से बाहर है, क्योंकि हम लोग 70s 80s बॉर्न हैं, तो हमें उस हिसाब से इस चीज़ को समझना थोड़ा सा मुश्किल था। लेकिन थोड़ा सा रिसर्च किया, थोड़ा सा जाना, तब से समझ में आया कि एक बहुत अच्छा फील्ड है, इसमें अपॉर्चुनिटीज जो अनलिमिटेड है। क्योंकि गेम्स ऐसी चीज़ें हैं जो कि हमारे टाइम से भी चली आ रही हैं। हैंड हेल्ड गेम से लेट टाइम एवोल्व होकर आज वीडियो गेम्स और मोशन गेम्स तक पहुंच चुका है। मतलब आगे इसमें बहुत सारी और डेवलपमेंट के अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ हैं। तो हमने इसमें जाके अपना डिसीजन फाइनल किया कि हम इसको फील्ड में आगे लेके जाएंगे। Suddenly, it feels like that it is unbelievable, but when you get the news, your charm, your relation, your happiness, you are in a stage where you feel like that you should be there with your son at that time to enjoy that moment. And definitely, it was a moment of joy for both of us. We both had a very good laugh at that time, and we smiled with our family, within our family, that our child has done something good during the institute and during the education system, which is a very proud moment for every parent. I would like to say my perception was not against him even in the beginning, but yes, when I got the news, suddenly it had given me a kind of you can say a kind of more positivity in mind that yes, what he has taken what path he has taken over is going to be very good for him in the coming future. It's a difficult one. About my confidence, I'll say about our confidence. The confidence certainly was not so high while we just planning to send him. We have been through the proper, you can say, to acquire the things about the college institute, and from our own friends over there, we found that the institute is good enough to send you study. That has given us a little bit of confidence. Then afterward, when I went along with him and I met the faculty over there, certainly my confidence was better than when the time we left from here, from our home to Hyderabad. So confidence became more when I met the faculty over there. That was a very good thing. I met very good people over there. About my child's future, I feel that the track he has chosen and the kind of mentors and other people he has been in his life, it certainly is going to be a very positive track. When you have a creative mind and that is being supported by the creative people, always life is going to give good to you. But certainly a long one and a tough one. But about the parents who are confused like us, I would like to say that don't get confused. This career has a creativity, and creativity is going to stay long till the human exists. So, as per my opinion, I've met the students at the airport who were going to participate in an international gaming festival. So when these kind of activities are going to encourage, and the other things like these are going to happen, creative gaming can also be helpful in improving the education system of India. So there are many aspects where it can be tried. So I think so people should not worry that if your child is having a creative mind, and he or she should be sent into this field without any doubt. Definitely, I would recommend strongly.
Thanks to everyone.
Thanks. I really like to thank from the bottom of my heart to the faculty of the Backstage Institute and the other kids who were the part of the team of my son, and I congratulate them and I wish them a very good luck for the future. Thank you so much.
Thank you.